7:54.
Say it again. Say it again.
It's gonna rain at 7:54. You're so lying.
Wait, what was the question?
7:40. The question is, what time do you think the rain is going to be here?
7:54.
10.
I said
What time?
7:54.
Wait, what time
Tyler
is it?
said 8.
What time is it?
I said
It's
24.
7:40.
I said
No, it's 7:40 right now. I say at 7:54 it is going to be on our front doorstep.
I say it's gonna be 75. 75.
7 what?
75.
No, what time on the wall?
I hear it sprinkling.
Seven
Oh, car just went up.
I say 7:57.
7:56. 7 at 55.
Oh my gosh, we're like all close together.
Okay, Drake says 7:55.
Okay, watch the clock.
7:56.
Watch the clock.
Okay.
7:56 for
So
me.
that, you know what? It's 7:41 now.
7.
I saw lightning.
Oh, did you see that?
There's thunder.
Look, the White House is disappearing.
Where?
The one over there that she told us to watch.
I told you to keep your eye on it because it's going to disappear.
Yeah, it was
Closer and
pouring
closer.
just a second ago. Now it's like going away.
Probably raining in Kentucky.
Kentucky. What's Kentucky? Kentucky's far.
Way far. I really want to go there to see Turtle Man.
Okay, so the clock's a ticking. It is 7:41.
I bet you
7:54.
The wind just picked up.
7:57.
7:56. 7:57, and Drayton says
Drayton.
7:55.
7:50. We're all like
And I think we're all
we're
gonna be
like
wrong.
all like
I think it's gonna be like 7. I think it's gonna be here in like 8 or 9 minutes. But we
Really?
could be wrong. I don't know.
How long have we been out here?
30 minutes or so.
And it
I've been
hasn't.
watching it for about 30 minutes.
but it's gone really far. The
Because
rain
it
only can
was-
move so far.
It wasn't raining over there. Eventually, it started here, and it's moved its way. So we'll see.
Okay, I'll be
I'll
right
wait,
back
I'll
to show you the next part when it's raining closer. Okay, bye.